While you have been confused about creating and planning your future business startup, you need to take some time to deep research what and who you are and the business idea you are thinking of. To start, you need to research business ideas according to your experience and especially all about your passion. The world has been changing rapidly the last few years and has seen the growth of new technologies entirely set to change the course of the world. There has been Web3, AI, ML, and more. While there has also been the business that was entirely shut down that no one would have ever thought will. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today we are talking about 10 business ideas in 2023, so let's get into it. Number 1. Decentralized online store. There are no longer any businesses or business ideals that are unaffected by the blockchain. E-commerce is one of those industries that is undergoing significant change. Users now anticipate decentralized e-commerce systems as blockchain offers greater user equality, security, and transparency. The newest development on the market is an e-commerce venture that started decentralized. To stay up with the blockchain and its consequences, food and grocery firms are planning to create their platforms. Thus, getting involved in developing decentralized e-commerce will also be helpful. Number 2. NFT artist. Even though starting an NFT business may appear outrageous, it is a terrific concept. NFT artists significantly impact the corporate community. An NFT artist can collaborate with the companies to produce a digital record of ownership, attendance, and even transference to the many experiences they offer their clients. Moreover, blockchain game development businesses may hire NFT artists to work for them. NFTs are the primary method of exchange in blockchain games. Number 3. Dropshipping. A large number of brand new internet shops are opening up every day and experiencing rapid success. The dropshipping business is another creative business idea besides the internet store. But it is not the only business. With dropshipping, a seller can sell things online without purchasing or storing them themselves. Instead, sellers work with dropshipping suppliers that handle inventory and send products directly to clients on their behalf. Number 4. Amazon Kindle Publishing. The Amazon Kindle Publishing business is another one of the original business concepts that might help you earn 6 figures annually. The reading business has abruptly changed as a result of the system. It is one of the original business ideas, whether your goal is to create a reliable source of income or an honest online company that you can advertise. It is possible to make a lot of money. On a Kindle, making money is a relatively easy process. Number 5. Tea parlor. A tea parlor business can be a great, easy business concept. You have a unique cuisine to get customers from outside your neighborhood. Additionally, selecting the best location is essential. Tea drinkers usually have whims. Therefore, your shop needs to be close to tourist sites, malls, and gas stations where people congregate. You might have more options on your menu than just tea. For instance, you may offer snacks to go with your beverage. You might even consider creating and selling your products. Number 6. Cleaning services. Offering cleaning services is one of the most profitable and original business endeavors. Even though cleaning is one of the most tiring tasks, most people with busy schedules don't have the time or energy for it. Unless you don't bother doing the dirty work, others can't take care of themselves. You're about to think about starting this new company. The financial gain might be significant. Number 7. Virtual assistants for businesses. As more firms focus on digital processes, the need for virtual assistants is rising. They are independent contractors with the ability to manage a range of tasks, including planning trips and scheduling meetings, as well as more specialized ones like email campaigns and bookkeeping. In reality, you might be an assistant full or part-time. You won't be restricted to a particular location for this type of work because business owners can hire digital assistants from anywhere in the world. Number 8. Language translator. No matter how sophisticated the machines become as technology develops, human talents will always be necessary for specific tasks. The human species has evolved after enduring everything from wars to natural calamities. Language abilities are also a constant factor in human survival. As a result, language translators will always be needed despite the tremendous developments in machine translation. Number 9. Online tuition. The education sector offers the best returns on investment when measured against all other sectors. Additionally, this industry has been expanding like never before. It has risen to the top 10 business ideas for everyone since the worldwide pandemic-related shutdown of academic institutions. You have excellent career freedom if you own a virtual tutoring firm. An online tutor may help students with their academics while mentoring them toward their educational goals while managing their schedules. Tutors who want to perform significant community service can work remotely. Number 10. Podcasting. In every industry, expanding operations is challenging, particularly in light of shifting consumer needs and new competitors. Businesses rely on new technologies to make their lives easier because competing for the top spot is complex in an environment where everything else is changing quickly. And one such medium is podcasting. Podcasting is one of the business endeavors that a person with limited resources could start. Possessing a podcasting business will enable you to provide more flexible services to your firm. A podcasting company may offer suggestions and referrals to other businesses so they can create podcasts regarding the information or products on their website. Conclusion. As you consider what your most successful small business ideas might be for 2023, it's important to consider where your expertise and your passions intersect. Because it's something you're going to be doing on the side, you'll likely be working on it on the weekends and after work, so find something that you enjoy doing that others will find value with. So guys, that's all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.